to your Beaufort County News Headlines. I'm Matt Golden, and here are today's top stories in 2025 and beyond. The US 278 corridor project will be the #1 issue facing residents, visitors, and workers on Hilton Head Island. In fewer than 60 days, voters will elect 3 town council representatives, possibly shifting the tenor of the island's leadership. The corridor project will replace 4 bridges between Bluffton and Hilton Head with one 6-lane bridge, a change large enough to create over 7 years of debate among island residents, Beaufort County, and the town itself. The upcoming election in November will bring at least 2 new faces to the Hilton Head Town Council that will lead residents through this change. Before the filing deadline came and went in mid-August, 7 candidates filed to fill positions for Wards 1, 3, and 6. Alex Brown currently serves as the Ward 1 representative and is the only candidate seeking re-election. Many residents argue that a bigger bridge would disrupt quality of life for people living there, especially those living in the Big Stony Historic Gullah neighborhood, along with the island's character. Others believe the project would address long commute times for the growing number of workers on the island and improve emergency evacuation preparation. If you have an idea how to make South Carolina better for its children or concerns about issues affecting them, your opinion is wanted. The Joint Citizens and Legislative Committee on Children is traveling around the state for its annual fall tour starting Tuesday and is inviting South Carolinians to speak with them. The panel, more commonly known as the Children's Committee, is made up of a bipartisan group of 6 lawmakers, 3 from the State House of Representatives and 3 from the Senate, and 3 citizens appointed by governor and leaders from statewide agencies, including Department of Mental Health, Department of Social Services, and Department of Juvenile Justice, and Department of Education. The feedback they have received during these hearings in the past years has led to changes in laws at the State House. The public hearings begin Tuesday in Conway, followed by 2 in Columbia on September 17th, 1 in Spartanburg on September 24th, and 1 in North Charleston on October 3rd. Any South Carolinian can come out to share their concerns or ideas for helping the state's kids and families. Early voting is a 2-week no-excuse period. Any voter can visit an early voting location in Beaufort and vote like they would at their polling place on Election Day. Early voting for the Tuesday, September 17th School Board District 7 special election began Tuesday, September 3rd. Only voters who reside in School Board District 7 may vote in the election. Early voting goes from Tuesday, September 3rd through Friday, September 13th. You can vote at 8:30 a.m. through 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Early voting centers include the main voter registration office at 15 John Galt Road in Beaufort and the Bluffton Recreation Center Gymnasium at 61A Ulmer Road in Bluffton. While Tropical Storm Francine is expected to strengthen into a hurricane midweek, making landfall on the northern Gulf Coast, the system shouldn't directly impact the Low Country, but it will bring residual effects, according to the National Weather Service's Charleston office. Meteorologist Neil Dixon said a warm front from the system will settle into southeast South Carolina as early as Thursday, resulting in another rainy weekend. The wettest period will begin Friday and steadily continue through Sunday. Rainfall amounts aren't anticipated to be excessive, Dixon said, adding that Hilton Head Island would get the most rain with up to 2 inches. Because 2 systems churning in the eastern and central tropical Atlantic have not yet developed, Dixon said it's tough to say whether either would impact the Low Country. On Monday, one of the systems was in an area of low pressure over the central tropical Atlantic with environmental conditions that were marginally conducive for developing over the next few days. The National Hurricane Center said it could form into a tropical depression while it moves over the central tropical Atlantic. Later in the week, the system is expected to churn westward and northwestward at around 10 miles per hour, the center said. On Monday, it has a 60% chance of formation within the next 48 hours. For more information on any of these stories, please visit the sources on the screen, and as always, you can head to BeaufortCountySC.gov for press releases straight from Beaufort County. Thanks for tuning in to your Beaufort County News Headlines. Have a great day, Beaufort County.